Crash course on Italian cuisine. An overview of Italian cuisine, including regional differences, famous dishes, and traditional cooking techniques. Italian cuisine is known worldwide for its delicious flavors, fresh ingredients, and regional diversity. In this crash course, we will take a closer look at Italian cuisine, including famous dishes, traditional cooking techniques, and regional differences. Italy's culinary tradition dates back thousands of years, with the ancient Etruscans and Greeks having a significant influence on the development of Italian cuisine. However, it wasn't until the Middle Ages that Italian cuisine began to truly flourish, with the emergence of regional differences and unique dishes. Italian cuisine is known for its simplicity, with many dishes made from just a few fresh ingredients. Olive oil, tomatoes, garlic, and basil are staples in many Italian dishes. Pasta, pizza, and risotto are popular dishes that are enjoyed both in Italy and around the world. One of the most interesting aspects of Italian cuisine is its regional diversity. Each region of Italy has its own unique culinary traditions and dishes. For example, in the north of Italy, you will find dishes made with butter and cream, such as risotto alla Milanese, while in the south, olive oil and tomatoes are more commonly used in dishes like spaghetti alla puttanesca. One famous Italian dish that originated in Naples is pizza. Originally a simple street food, pizza has now become a staple in Italian cuisine and is enjoyed worldwide. Another famous Italian dish is lasagna, a layered pasta dish made with tomato sauce, cheese, and meat. Traditional cooking techniques are also an important aspect of Italian cuisine. Slow cooking methods are commonly used, with many dishes taking several hours to prepare. The use of fresh, high-quality ingredients is also emphasized, with many dishes made from scratch. Here are the top 12 popular Italian cuisines. 1. Pizza. A delicious flatbread topped with tomato sauce, cheese, and various toppings. 2. Pasta. A staple in Italian cuisine, made with flour, eggs, and water and served with a variety of sauces. 3. Risotto. A creamy rice dish made with broth and flavored with various ingredients such as mushrooms, seafood, or cheese. 4. Lasagna. A layered pasta dish made with tomato sauce, cheese, and meat. 5. Tiramisu. A popular Italian dessert made with layers of espresso-soaked ladyfingers and mascarpone cheese. 6. Ravioli. Small pockets of pasta filled with cheese, meat, or vegetables. 7. Bruschetta. A simple appetizer made with grilled bread and topped with tomatoes, garlic, and olive oil. 8. Minestrone. A hearty vegetable soup made with a variety of fresh vegetables and beans. 9. Osso buco. A slow-cooked dish made with braised veal shanks and served with gremolata. 10. Caprese Salad. A simple salad made with fresh tomatoes, mozzarella cheese, and basil. 11. Bolognese sauce. A meat-based sauce made with tomatoes, onions, and garlic and served over pasta. 12. Polenta. A creamy, corn-based side dish often served with meat and tomato sauce. In summary, Italian cuisine is known for its fresh ingredients, simple flavors, and regional diversity. With dishes like pizza, pasta, and risotto, as well as traditional cooking techniques, Italian cuisine has become beloved around the world. Whether you're in the north or south of Italy, you're sure to find a delicious dish that captures the essence of Italian cuisine. And now, a poem on Italian cuisine. From pasta to pizza, Italian cuisine. A symphony of flavors, a culinary dream. From fresh ingredients to traditional ways. Italian cuisine, it's sure to amaze. From Naples to Milan, each region has its own. A unique taste, a flavor unknown. Risotto and lasagna, a layered delight. Here is a song on Italian foods. Verse 1. In Italy, the land of culinary delight. There's more to food than just a simple bite. From north to south, each region's fare has its own flavor, aroma, and flair. Chorus. So let me take you on a tour of Italy's top 12 culinary cures. From pasta to pizza, seafood to meat. Italian cuisine simply can't be beat. Verse 2. First up, we have the classic lasagna. Layered with sauce, cheese, and meat, a bona fide saga. Next, the heavenly risotto, so creamy and divine. With ingredients like saffron and mushroom, it's simply sublime. Chorus. So let me take you on a tour of Italy's top 12 culinary cures. From pasta to pizza, seafood to meat. Italian cuisine simply can't be beat. Verse 3. Carbonara is a staple of Roman cuisine. Pasta, egg, cheese, and bacon, a delicious dream. And then there's gnocchi, so soft and light. Perfect with a tomato sauce or pesto, just right. Chorus. So let me take you on a tour of Italy's top 12 culinary cures. From pasta to pizza, seafood to meat, Italian cuisine simply can't be beat. Verse 4. Polenta, a traditional dish from the north. Made from cornmeal and served in many a course. And who can forget the humble pizza margherita? With tomato, mozzarella, and basil, it's a true pizza leader. Chorus. So let me take you on a tour of Italy's top 12 culinary cures. From pasta to pizza, seafood to meat, Italian cuisine simply can't be beat. Verse 5. Moving on to the seafood delicacies of the south, where spaghetti alla vongole can make your taste buds shout. And then there's the famous Neapolitan dish, spaghetti alla puttanesca, so full of flavor, it's hard to resist. Chorus. So let me take you on a tour of Italy's top 12 culinary cures. From pasta to pizza, seafood to meat, Italian cuisine simply can't be beat. Verse 6. Last but not least, the meaty delights. Osso buco, bistecca fiorentina, oh, what a sight. And let's not forget the famous saltimbocca. Thinly sliced veal, prosciutto, and sage, an Italian gnocca. Chorus. So let me take you on a tour of Italy's top 12 culinary cures. From pasta to pizza, seafood to meat, Italian cuisine simply can't be beat. Outro. In Italy, food is more than just a meal. It's a way of life, a passion that you can feel. So come and indulge in these 12 masterpieces and experience Italian cuisine at its finest. *****. We hope this video has given you a taste of all the incredible experiences Italy has to offer. If you're ready to start planning your own adventure to North America, please ensure to use our booking.com referral link. https://www.booking.com/index.html?8 equals 7989335 to book your flights, hotels, car rentals, local attractions, and more. It's an easy and kind way to support this channel and make sure you get the best possible deals on your trip. Thank you, Anhub Metaverse team.